Hey guys, today we are going to review House of Marley Little Bird in-ear earphones. It has got a price tag of 499 and these are the same earphones which come with Huge Utopia flagship phone of Hue Televentures. This is Rohan Naik from Architect. Let's continue with the review. I ordered these earphones from Amazon.in. It took me 2 days to get these earphones. As you can see, House of Marley has used recyclable material in their box, and the inbox contents are similar as the other standard earphones. So let's quickly move on to design of these earphones. The design present on these earplugs have impressed me a bit, but then the tilted 3.5 mm jack has disappointed me because it stuck sometimes in my pocket. These earphones also get tangled very easily as they haven't got any tangle free cable, and tangle free cable is not what you can expect in an earphone falling in a budget category. So let's move on to build quality. In terms of build quality, I would like to give these earphones a +1. The quality of cable and the earbuds provided in these particular earphones are pretty good. I'm impressed with the quality of cable present in this price segment. It is the best quality I have ever seen in this price segment also, and they have also given us smaller earbuds which are mostly absent in the earphones coming in this price segment. Moving on to sound quality, I tested it in my U4 running on Cyanogen OS 12.1 with audio effects. It has got a decent bass and crystal clear sound, which makes it one of the great competitors in this price segment. I also tested it in my Dell laptop with Dell Audio installed on it. It provided a decent output and controlled all the bass and treble executed by the laptop. So in terms of sound quality, I would like to give it a 4 on 5. So pros of this product are that it has got different changeable earbuds and good design build. It gives a funky look, and cons are that it has got a tilted 3.5 mm jack. So that's all in this review. Thanks for watching this video. You can ask your queries in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you liked the video. You can also subscribe our channel for further reviews. This is Rohan.